Hello friends, welcome to Tani's Art Studio. Today we are going to do a DIY with texture paste as I had promised, right? In the last video I told you that with texture paste we can do many things. So one of the things I'm going to do today. We are going to use the texture paste that I made in the last video. So for that please do check the description box for the link of how to make texture paste. Now let's start the DIY. We need texture paste, any cardboard, any hardboard, any canvas or sheet, some acrylic colors like I'm going to use copper, golden and white acrylic color. Colors are basically your choice, whatever you want to use. And last but not the least, palette knives. It's a very simple DIY but it looks very pretty. So let's see how it goes. In this DIY, everything depends on the pressure that you are putting on the palette knife and the quantity of paste, that is texture paste, that you have taken on it. That will give the actual look of this whole DIY. This gives somewhat a 3D effect to your painting. The way you hold the palette knife makes a big difference. Because some petals should look some way and the others in other ways. So with little bit of practice, anyone can do this. We made some leaves. Now a small bud we are going to make. Try it yourselves. You will really love to do this. I don't know if you can see every bit of it, but in real it is looking really nice. Another bud. You can keep it this way also, looks beautiful, or you can also paint it with different colors. I'm going to use copper, then golden, and then some white. So we are done. I hope you liked this video. So if you did, please do subscribe my channel. This is my 100-day challenge day 3 video, coming with many more videos. So stay tuned. Bye for now.